Okay, let's get started with our guided class practice. Number 1 reads, 5 children in Mrs. O'Neill's class made books. Each book had 3 pictures. How many pictures did the children draw all together? Well, let's underline our important information. 5 children made books. Each book had 3 pictures. So let's go ahead and draw. We have 5 children made books, so we're going to draw 5 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each book had 3 pictures. Guess we draw little ones. Okay, so let's go ahead and make a number sentence for this. So it looks to me that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 what? Get ready. 5 groups of how many? Yes, 3. So 5 groups of 3 equals how much? Get ready. Yes, 15. So we know that we have 15 pictures all together. Number 2 reads, circle the time shown on the clock. It's giving you some answers to choose from. So it's saying 4:15, 4:45, 4:45, or 5:15. Well, if I look at this shorthand, it's not quite on the 5 yet. So I think it is not 5:15. So we can probably get rid of that one. And 4:45, that doesn't look right either. 4:15 would be over here, so that one's not right. So it must be 4:45.